much budget do I need to travel to Georgia? This is one of the most common questions that I hear as a local guide. Well, let's answer to this question in today's episode. As global tendencies show, the prices have been increased since COVID in many countries, including Georgia. So this country still remains as a hidden gem and one of the most underrated travel destinations to explore in Eastern Europe. Accommodation prices much depends on hotel category, its location in the city, travel season and your personal preferences. Of course, hotels in old city area are a bit higher with charges than in other local non-touristic neighborhoods. Generally, accommodation prices at mid-season in Tbilisi at hostels starts from about $15 per person. For low to mid-range hotels, you should consider prices from $40 per night, and for 5-star hotels, you should consider $150. Tbilisi has insane amounts of hotels, and choice is up to you. You may get surprised to see that 5-star hotels you can find at international chains more affordable than in other parts of the world. My recommendation is to always look through the latest feedback of recent travelers, no matter it will be hotel or Airbnb apartment. Next topic I would like to share today is food prices in Tbilisi. For breakfast and brunch prices in Old City, you should expect about $10 per person. If you plan to eat in most touristic areas in Tbilisi, like all the city area, keep in mind that the prices here are a bit higher than in other less touristic local neighborhoods of Tbilisi. For example, for lunch per person should expect $15 and $20 per person for dinner. It's noteworthy that even in very central and touristic parts of Old City, it's still possible to find food with reasonable prices. For this, you need to check my video, Food in Old City. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Street food is always most budget-friendly option during travel, and don't get shocked because street food prices in Tbilisi starts from just only $1 with much of its variety. Now let's move to attractions, but keep in mind that Tbilisi city in Old City area is quite walkable and the best way to explore the city is on foot. For hot air balloon activity in Tbilisi, you should expect about $20 per person. One of the best ways to explore Tbilisi is using cable cars for Narikala Fortress, and the cost is only $1. The cost of funicular tram in Tbilisi is $4 per person. The prices on riverboat tours in Tbilisi starts from $15 per person and differs as their package and included services. The prices in Old City on attractions are quite budget-friendly, and many of them are even totally free. For example, entrance to the Tbilisi amusement park, Chronicles of Georgia, or at any local bazaars. It's amazing to explore the city on foot, especially if the weather is nice. Well, today I tried to show you the prices that the city offers, and now you have to decide if it's cheap or expensive. I hope you find this video helpful, and make sure to subscribe our channel if you still have not done it yet. See you next time. Bye!